Hi all, welcome to TCM Education. Let's discuss yesterday's picks, October 8 picks. Before we talk about the picks, let's talk about the big picture, which was the S&P 500 solid move, basically up all day and closing at the highs of the day, which is the all-time highs for the S&P. So up, as you can see, 0.6% after losing 0.3% or 0.35% the previous session, and up in the aftermarket another 0.1%. So basically all-time highs for the S&P. That sets the tone for the rest of the market, especially the leading stocks. Now talking about the leading stocks, we have one that we can discuss today, and this is this AMD 10% intraday move. If you remember, in the pre-market yesterday it was up roughly 1%, ended up closing up 11.4%. So that's the story of AMD yesterday. After 2 days where it gapped up every day, couldn't deliver anything to the upside. It was a great short on Monday, but yesterday it basically traded sharply higher all day. Plenty of entry points. I'm just pointing to couple of those entry points. I mean, there were so many, and again, so many strategies involved here. I'm just going to point to a very nice cup and handle formation. Take a look at this nice move here. Not a perfect cup and handle. Keep in mind, the cup and handle is very hard to figure out. To produce intraday. That's more like a daily occurrence. But you can clearly see this cup and the handle and the stop loss and the entry at here it was 214, and overall when the stock is up 10% intraday, and that was the story for AMD yesterday, that turns into a huge winner. It doesn't matter if you have a small position or a big position, anything you can hold on to, I don't know, 5-6% out of those 10%, you're ending up on the positive side for the day. So overall, a clear uptrend all day. The winner was the stock that really fetched or traded exactly like the market, which is AMD. The rest of the stocks didn't do much, so I'm not going to spend time discussing them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you obviously in our next video.